Rachel. Oh my goodness, we've had a lot of updates this past year. We moved across the country from New York to Portland, Oregon, which we're loving.
Happy birthday to you.
Nora just turned 1, Ollie became a big brother, and it's amazing to watch my kiddos play together. We're loving life here in Portland, and especially our house. Speaking of that house, the best part is definitely the kitchen. I've got my beautiful kitchen in here, but it's even more beautiful outside. I also love my huge island. This baby is gigantic. I want to show you guys how to make one of my favorite sandwiches. In fact, it might be the sandwich we make most oftentimes around here. It's a grilled cheese, but a really good grilled cheese. First, I start with some good old-fashioned white sandwich bread. Then I like to add a little bit of whole grain mustard. You can use Dijon mustard as well, but whole grain is always my favorite. Then I'm gonna add some of that cheddar cheese. And I like shredding my cheddar because I feel like it melts a little bit better. I'm gonna add some apple. You can do anything from a Honeycrisp apple to a Granny Smith apple. Right over here. Yum, 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 yum. A little bit of that bacon, and that is actually what I'm gonna use to crisp up my sandwich. And what I like to do to promote that cheese to get nice and melty is pop a lid right on top. There's a reason this is our family's favorite sandwich. And there you have it, sandwich perfection. Bacon, apple, cheddar. It's an easy weeknight meal and a fan.